for this to get out of here. So anyways, hello everyone, welcome back to Storm Tracker 9 and 8. We're going to do these separate coverage streams to cover this severe weather outbreak that is beginning. And we already have a tornado warning here for portions of Logan and Johnson counties in western Arkansas. So this is a severe thunderstorm that is capable of producing a tornado. Now the rotation, let's see where the rotation is. So it looks like the rotation is just northwest of Subiaco. So the rotation's approaching Clarksville. Clarksville looks like a populated area. And other locations that is impacted by this storm, let's see. So Clarksville, Scranton, Woodland, Subiaco, Hoyt, Coal Hill, Morrison Bluff, Roseville, Oric, Wilkins, Paris, Hartman, Radcliffe, Spadra, Clarksville, Catalpa, Union City, Hunt, and New Spadra. So all these locations. So I would say Clarksville, you are in the clear. The rotation is passed. Paris, I would stay in your shelter for a couple more minutes. Subiaco, I would say you're also in the clear. You could come out of your shelter. Morrison Bluff, so areas that are just northeast of the hook that you can see need to be in a shelter right now. This is a tornado warning for portions of Logan and Johnson counties. So north central Logan and western Johnson counties, that's the locations impacted by the tornado warning. So we'll go back to the storm in a second, but we have another tornado warning down here. I didn't even notice this. So this is a new tornado warning that I've not even taken note of. Yep. Okay, wait, what? We have two new tornado warnings here. So we'll cover this one. So west central Sabine, southeastern Shelby, northeastern San Augustine, and northwestern Sabine counties. So we do have two new tornado warnings here. So let's see where the rotation is. We're gonna do this one. Oh wow. That is a strong rotation coupler right there. You can see it. So this looks like it's in a rural portion. So Rosevine, you need to be in your shelter right now. This storm's about to be hitting. The rotation's about to be going over you in around 7 minutes. Patroon, get in your shelter now. You still have a little bit of time. Alright, for this storm, we do have locations. So it looks like there might even be two rotation, but they have one there. And we have probably one trying to start right there. So many, you are in this. Many, Louisiana, and Zwol. I would say the rotation's going to pass Zwol to the southeast, but it's heading for many. So we'll see what this looks like. So yeah, it's actually going up towards Zwol. Okay. So it looks like it's going to pass. It looks like it might hit with the western portions of many, but it's also sort of heading towards Zwol. For this one, this looks like a strong rotation couple. We might actually see a tornado with this one. It's intensifying, and we do have another severe thunderstorm warning here. I think this one's about to expire. Yeah, it's about to expire. So we'll go to this storm. Let me see. Houston, strong thunderstorm. Okay, yeah, I do have IM-bot on my TV, so I know what's going on. So these streams will be separate, and I don't know how long these streams are going to go for, but we're going to try our best to storm. So this one, I would cancel the tornado warning for this area where the line is. I would cancel that out because rotation seemed to have passed there. We'll check anyways. So it looks like the possible rotation is right there, just near Coal Hill. Looks like we might pass Coal Hill to the southeast, or it could be racing up towards Coal Hill. So what I'm concerned about, the storm that I'm actually concerned about now, is this one right here. This one looks like there is probably going to be a tornado. Okay, it looks like it's weakening now, but it did have that sign there's going to be a tornado. So this one, hold on. Excuse me, everyone. Give me a second here. So this one we have now for, let me see correlation coefficient. This is where we can see if there's debris or not. So I do not see any debris signatures. Let's go to the other one. Oh, I hope that's not a debris signature. Okay, it was picking up something right in that area. So Let me see if anything new has been issued. Flash flood warning from Little Rock. We do have a flash flood warning that has been issued from Little Rock for actually just northwest of Little Rock. So we'll see. We'll see about this. So this is for the downtown area of Conway. So I'm not gonna check my notifications. Let's see. Yep, we do have. Yep, a flash flood warning. I got confused a little second there. So let's go to this radar. We'll look at Shreveport's radar real quick and see. Oh wow, okay. This Shreveport radar is picking up. Looks like intense rotation just for the newest tornado warning that has been issued, but for this one, it's still quite impressive. So yeah, we're going to be continuing to monitor this possible tornado outbreak underway, and I'm going to have to be doing more streaming tomorrow for another setup, or this might even be the same system that's going to cause tomorrow's possible tornado outbreak. It's going to be severe weather outbreak for sure. So, okay, we do have something from Shreveport. Mesoscale discussion, Tornado Watch 1. Okay, new mesoscale has been issued. So I'm pretty sure that's why my Discord notification is there. So this one I would feel have the most potential to produce a tornado, even though it doesn't look like it. This rotation it looks like it's on a weakening trend. We'll see. Yeah, it's still saying the same, but it kind of weakened. So this one looks a little concerning. This is heading up towards two locations. It's heading towards Many, it's heading towards Wolf. So let's see. There is no confirmed tornadoes yet. There's nothing new from the offices that I've been monitoring. So let me check in. So we're going to check in on this one. It looks like this one's been, looks like they continued this one. It is still no tornado. So I wouldn't think, I mean, all the storms that do get tornado warned today do have a likely potential to produce a tornado. Mostly for Arkansas. So I know Memphis has been also had some storms, so we'll check out their radar. Okay, no, those don't look that impressive. So this storm right here, we'll look at this one real quick. Make sure there's no active rotation. Yeah, it doesn't look anything. Oh, what's going on down here? That looks interesting. Okay, this storm might get a tornado warning soon if it continues to look that way. So most of the isolated storms will get tornado warning. You know what? I'm going to use this radar. Okay, yep, this is definitely going to have. There might be a tornado on the ground just southwest of Many. This is probably a tornado on the ground just southwest of Many. So those of you in Many and Zwol up here need to be in a shelter now. This is a possible confirmed tornado. I wouldn't be surprised if they put this as a confirmed tornado. So this is definitely going to be. You know what? Let me check out this mesoscale discussion real quick. Increasing. Alright, so they just put out a mesoscale for increasing potential, for tornadoes. That's just for just around northeastern Texas into just extreme southwestern Arkansas and northwestern Louisiana. So let me. Oh crap, my controller. Yeah, I'm on my PS4 using this. Let me go back. Come on. You know what? I'm just gonna use this as the page then. Okay. Okay, Little Rock just issued a tornado warning. Okay, let's see. So let's see where this one's for. I'm sure it's for this one right here, probably. We'll see where this is for. I'm not sure which storm they're talking about yet. It might just be a extension for that storm. We'll see. They just issued a tornado warning for. This is definitely a new one. So new tornado warning from Little Rock. We'll see. Oh, it's for that storm. I was right. Alright, so they just issued a tornado warning for the storm I was talking about. So let's see where this. Yep, there. The rotation is clearly right here. So I knew they were gonna do something for this storm. So rotation is moving northeast. So let's see what locations are going to be in this. So Hot Springs Village, William Junction, Long Mountain, Cherry Hill and Perry County, Jesseville, Antioch and Perry County, and Thornburg. So those of you even in Perryville, you guys should be getting ready to go underground. I'm sure sirens are probably sounding in the southern portions of Perryville. So this is actually heading towards Conway, this storm right here. So looks like, I don't know. Let's check back with those other storms in Louisiana and Texas. Okay, yeah, that's definitely probably looking like a tornado's on the ground. Yep, there is definitely going to be a tornado with that. I wouldn't doubt it. I wouldn't doubt there's a tornado. So we'll check on the other tornado warning up in Arkansas in a minute, but oh boy. Okay, looks like there's still possible rotation just near Hartman. So give a little refresher. Clarksville, you should be underground now. I'm sure sirens have been sounded already. Let's see. Is there anything new? Alright, so these storms are just going to fire up and they're just going to keep growing in intensity. So these once these storms fire up, they'll stay strong for a while and they'll probably produce tornadoes. So let's see, Shreveport, nothing. So wouldn't doubt there's a tornado with this. You could see clearly on radar there'd be a tornado just in that little area right there because of the hook. Okay, that's new radar. Oh crap. So you can see the hook. There's a hook on that storm. We'll check on this one now. You still see the rotation. It looks like it's weakened out, so that's good. They might cancel this tornado warning, but they're probably going to keep it up for a while because the storm is still severe. So the severe thunderstorm warning in this area has been canceled or just expired. I'm sure they'll probably reissue one. I don't know. So anything new? Nope. So my concern is this one. This one's been looking a little concerning, just the way it looks, but not really that strong rotation. But there is rotation to prompt a tornado warning. So I'm gonna check in. So you can see this is probably the most intense of all storms. There's a lot of lightning with these too, so we'll go over to Memphis radar because it looks like there's some activity over here. Wouldn't say no tornadic activity yet. I'm going to be checking velocity a lot because that's literally one of the main threats today is tornadoes. So I'm going to be checking velocity a lot. Yep, there's definitely going to be a tornado with this one. I wouldn't doubt it. Let's see what that looks like. Yep, there might be a tornado just near Many. So those of you in Many and Zwol, it looks like it's probably going to go in between the main areas of both of these locations, but I wouldn't risk anything with these storms today. This is definitely going to be a very big day for weather. And you can see once these thunderstorms just blow up, they're just going to keep increasing in intensity. So it looks like they're on a more north track than northeast track, but some of these are on a northeast track. Wow. That is a very clear indicator that there is a possible tornado just near Many and Zwol. So I'm going to be on this storm for a while, but I'll check in with the others. We'll see. I don't know. Check in with this one. Okay, there we got little glitchiness. Okay. Yep, I wouldn't doubt there's a tornado there. Ooh, we might even have a little possible debris signature starting to go there. That is not good. Let me get out my inspector tool and use velocity. You see the winds. 84-mile-an-hour winds. It's definitely possible tornado. Continuous tornado warning. Okay, so they continue this one right here. This warning. They just continue this one. Why am I getting so many Discord notifications? They just continued this one. But they did not continue this one. This one's actually about to expire in around 8 minutes. But they're probably going to do a reissuance for a tornado warning for that same storm. This one's still going up for 38 more minutes. That warning's about to expire. This one is not. So we'll see what motion these are heading in a northeast track. These polygons you could tell where they're moving. Okay, we might have some storm intensification right over here. Some intensifying storms. You can see how this one storm just blew up. You can see this cell right here. Just barely, and then it just blew up. Blew up into a storm. Okay, can I get rid of this? Okay. Check in with the stream. So this warning I called for was going to be a tornado warning. So Shreveport, nothing. Okay. We'll go back to that one storm. This is probably the most concerning of all storms that have a tornado warning yet. Look at that rotation. That is strong rotation. You could clearly see it once you put it in velocity. And it looks like it has a hook as well. Oops, I did not mean to do that. This storm over here, it has been continued. No tornado yet. There has not been a tornado yet. So we'll go up here. This still has a tornado warning. We'll see. So those of you in Clarksville, it's probably going to be over Clarksville now. We'll go over to this cell right here. See if it still has strong rotation. It doesn't really look like it anymore, but that storm I called for was going to have a tornado warning. So those of you in Perryville should be getting ready to go underground or in their tornado shelter, because they might put a new tornado warning on this. This storm is also kind of in a track towards Conway, Arkansas. But it's more in a track towards Perryville. Anything new? Oh, Houston. Houston issued strong thunderstorms. Alright, we'll check what's going on down here. So yeah, there's just kind of a little branch of thunderstorms. I'm sure they put something out for these two cells right here. I got a text. Oh, crap. Do not want... Yeah, I'm being littered with notifications right now, but I'm just gonna be doing these little streams. I'm gonna try to go I'm gonna end the stream in like 10 minutes so I could check out the notifications, because it just shows up. Hold on up. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna be right back, everyone. I'll be right back in a few minutes. I'm back, everyone. Anything real? Okay, new expansion of a tornado watch. Just got that notification. So, alright, I'm going to end this stream, but I'm going to start a new one momentarily.